welcome back to Linux Wednesdays, where we look at Linux tips and tricks on a Wednesday. This week's video, we're going to log into the terminal again, but we're going to use the screen command, which emulates a VT100 and an ANSI terminal. And on the BBC, I've got a Terminator 1.0. Now, if you see me on Twitter, I put down Terminator 1.0, and someone replied back with a picture of the Terminator. Now, didn't spell it wrong. It's my blooming iPhone doing the autocorrect. So if I go to my terminal and do a shift control plus and we do a sudo app-get install and screen and press enter, give it the password, so Sonic the Hedgehog. It's not going to install on mine because I've already got it installed, but it's only a small program and it won't take too long to install. If I clear the screen and I do a man screen, it says Screen Manager with VT100 and ANSI terminal emulation. Let's press Q to quit, or you can sit there and read all the documentation on it. I'm just going to press Q, and now I'm going to do a screen and then bash, because that's the terminal we're in. Over on the BBC, I'm going to do a star termulator. Not a terminator, termulator, and press enter. See there, it says Acorn Soft, and we've got Terminator 1984, University of Sussex. Leave everything as standard. I'm just going to press number 2, so we're going to emulate the ANSI and VT100 terminal. At this point, the BBC is waiting input from the Linux box. So I'll start the service like we did last week. So we've got it in here. Probably quicker to type the command out. Be in here somewhere. There we go. System control start serial-getty at TTY USB 0.service. Give it our password, and we're going to press enter. Any second soon, the Linux box should allow the BBC should ask for the login. Now, when I was trying it with the VDU terminal, if I made a mistake, so typed in say JEX instead of JZ, something like that, I couldn't delete it. I'd get weird characters on the screen. So let me just log in and password. It says there are 18 updates can be applied immediately. See these updates, standard security updates. I'll be updating my Linux box after this video. Now if I type in NeoFetch, see I've made a mistake. Let's do NeoFetch. See there, it's going to display the Linux Mint sign and wrap the text. And it says OS Linux Mint 20, x86 64, host MS 7C52 1.0. Tells my kernel, uptime, tells me how long I've been trying to get this video to record. So I tried capturing video on the Mac using the vid capture box. Don't know what quite was going on there. I was able to capture 3 hours worth of someone's wedding tape, put it onto DVD without a problem. It just wouldn't capture the BBC for some reason. And it tells me that my CPU is an AMD Ryzen 5 at 2600. That's not an Atari. At 3400 gigahertz, and then we've got GeForce GTX 960, and we've got 16 megabytes of RAM. Now I can do the usual LSUSB. I'm going to press enter, and it lists all the USB devices. Now before I couldn't do a clear. It wouldn't let me clear the screen. It just display the word clear, press enter, and it would just go down to the next line. So let's try clear. Lovely, it's now cleared the screen. So we're getting a better terminal experience, and if I do things wrong, like that one, I can then delete it. Now also I can do a top, which is displaying the running processes. I'm sure if you set the port to go a bit faster, so 9600, something like that, or 192000, you'll have a better terminal experience. It's taking a few seconds to update yourself there. Check it out, we've got the old top command running on Linux. You can kill stuff with the K command. We've done that a while back in Linux Wednesdays, killing processes via the terminal. Check it out, it's telling me that we've got root running, Jez running, and root, and so on. I know I can quit it. So I'm going to quit. Let's press escape. See, that does anything. No, it's not going to let me quit. It should do in a sec. There we go. It says bash command not found. Now I should be able to use the up and down arrows as well. No, it's not going to let me do that, but it's going to let me play around pretty much what I can do on the Linux terminal. I can now do on the BBC using the VT100 terminal. And I find the commands I'm typing on here, when I don't use the BBC, they'll appear on the Linux box. Anyhow, if you found the video of some use and know what to do, give it a thumbs up. The screen command does a lot more than what I've just shown you. And if you don't like the video, yeah, the other button seems to work too. But as always, thank you very much for watching Linux Wednesdays. I'll see you in the next video.